Thinking about getting a powerful workstation laptop in 2025? The Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 and Asus ProArt Studiobook 16 OLED are two top choices, but which one is truly worth your money? In this video, we'll compare everything from performance to display quality, so watch till the end before you buy. By the end, you'll know which laptop is the winner. Links for the latest deals are in the description. Like the video, it helps a lot. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 and Asus ProArt Studiobook 16 OLED are both high-performance 16-inch laptops designed for professionals, but they take different approaches to build quality, design, and connectivity. The ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 embodies Lenovo's signature industrial design with a focus on durability and practicality. It features an aluminum chassis with magnesium reinforcements, making it one of the most robust mobile workstations on the market. Its thick, sturdy frame provides excellent structural integrity, but at 6.5 pounds, it is significantly heavier than the Studiobook. The keyboard deck follows Lenovo's ThinkPad tradition, offering a world-class typing experience with deep key travel and a numeric keypad. It also includes a track point for those who prefer it over a touchpad. The Studiobook, on the other hand, leans into a sleeker, more modern aesthetic. Its all-aluminum build is impressively rigid, ensuring minimal flex on the lid or deck. At 5.29 pounds, it is noticeably lighter, making it somewhat more portable, though still bulky compared to ultra-portable laptops. The hinge mechanism is smooth and sturdy, allowing for effortless one-handed opening. The Studiobook also features a clean matte black finish with an embossed ProArt logo, giving it a premium yet understated look. Port selection is another key differentiator between these two machines. The ThinkPad P16 offers a mix of legacy and modern ports, catering to business and enterprise users. The left side features a USB-A 5 gigabits per second port, USB-C 10 gigabits per second, and a 3.5mm audio jack, while the right side includes another USB-A port, an SD card slot, a smart card reader, and a Kensington lock slot. The rear houses two Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, and the power input, ensuring that all high-bandwidth connections are positioned away from the user's workspace. The ProArt Studiobook 16, in contrast, is designed with creative professionals in mind. It includes two Thunderbolt 4 ports, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI 2.1, a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port, a micro SD card reader, a 3.5mm audio jack, and an optional nano SIM slot. The inclusion of a high-speed Ethernet port is particularly beneficial for creators who require stable wired connections for large file transfers. When comparing the display, keyboard, touchpad, and battery life, each laptop offers its own strengths tailored to different professional needs. The ThinkPad P16 features a 16-inch 2560 by 1600 IPS display with a 165 Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals ideal for workstations. The display offers good brightness and contrast, although its color coverage falls short of top-tier standards, making it less ideal for color-sensitive tasks like professional photography or video editing. Lenovo does offer a 4K OLED option, which would improve the visual experience for those who need higher color accuracy. On the other hand, the Asus ProArt Studiobook 16 boasts a 16-inch 3.2K OLED display, renowned for its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and superb color accuracy. It covers 100% sRGB, 97% Adobe RGB, and 99% DCI-P3 with a Delta E accuracy of 1.06, making it far superior for creative professionals who require precise color representation. Both displays are excellent in their own right, but the ProArt Studiobook takes the lead in terms of color fidelity and contrast. In terms of the keyboard and touchpad, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 excels with its world-class keyboard, featuring a full numeric keypad, backlighting, and the signature track point for precision control. It is widely regarded as one of the best laptop keyboards, offering a responsive and comfortable typing experience for extended sessions. The touchpad on the P16 is large and responsive, though it lacks the haptic feedback of the ProArt Studiobook's touchpad. Speaking of the ProArt Studiobook 16, its keyboard is also designed for comfort, with good key spacing and deep key travel, though it lacks a numeric keypad. The standout feature of the ProArt Studiobook is its haptic touchpad, which provides precise control and feedback similar to Apple's Force Touch trackpad. However, the placement of the Asus dial slightly shifts the touchpad to the right, which may feel unnatural to some users, especially right-handed ones. While the ThinkPad's keyboard may offer a more traditional experience, the ProArt's unique touchpad and the Asus dial are tailored more toward creative professionals looking for specialized control. Battery life is where these two devices differ significantly. The ThinkPad P16 manages to deliver impressive battery performance lasting around 10 hours with moderate use, especially considering its powerful hardware. However, the ProArt Studiobook 16 struggles with battery endurance due to its high-power CPU, GPU, and OLED display, offering just 4.5 hours of web browsing and 6.25 hours of video playback. Creators relying on extended unplugged use may find the Studiobook lacking in this area, making the ThinkPad a better choice for those who need longer-lasting performance on the go. Both are two powerhouse laptops designed for professionals, but their performance varies depending on the use case. The ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 features an Intel Core i7-14700HX processor, which boasts 20 cores, 8 performance, 12 efficiency, and a maximum turbo clock of 5.5 GHz. The Asus ProArt Studiobook 16, on the other hand, is powered by the Intel Core i9-13980HX, a 24-core CPU with 8 performance and 16 efficiency cores, reaching a peak frequency of 5.6 GHz. While both processors handle intensive tasks with ease, the Core i9 in the Asus delivers slightly better multi-core performance, making it the stronger choice for workloads that rely on sheer core count, such as 3D rendering and high-resolution video processing. However, the ThinkPad still holds its own in compute-heavy applications, thanks to its workstation-focused optimizations. When it comes to editing power, both laptops offer robust GPU options, but their target audiences are slightly different. The ThinkPad P16 comes equipped with the NVIDIA RTX 4000 Ada GPU with 12 GB of video RAM, making it an excellent choice for CAD, CGI rendering, and scientific computing. The ProArt Studiobook 16 features multiple GPU configurations, including the NVIDIA RTX 3000 Ada and the more gaming-oriented GeForce RTX 4060 and RTX 4070. While the Studiobook provides excellent GPU acceleration for Adobe Creative Suite and DaVinci Resolve, the ThinkPad's workstation-class GPU is optimized for industry-grade applications like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and Blender, ensuring maximum stability and compatibility in professional workflows. In gaming, the Studiobook has a clear edge. While neither laptop is designed specifically for gaming, the ProArt's GeForce RTX 4060 and RTX 4070 variants deliver better gaming performance, handling 1080p and even 1440p gaming with ease. The ThinkPad's RTX 4000 Ada is optimized for professional applications rather than gaming, meaning while it can run modern titles, performance won't match that of the Studiobook's gaming-oriented GPUs. For creators who want a balance of professional work and casual gaming, the Studiobook is the more versatile option, whereas the ThinkPad remains a focused mobile workstation built for demanding professional applications. Both laptops are powerhouses, but the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 wins for professionals needing ultimate durability, enterprise features, and workstation-class GPU power. The Asus ProArt Studiobook 16 OLED is the better choice for creators who want a stunning OLED display, a sleeker design, and gaming-capable GPUs. Please see the links in the description for the best available offers.